Prior to 2020 personal injury protection reform, relatives and visitors were frequently covered by auto insurance policies. Impending changes could create a gap in coverage for relatives, visitors, or permanent house guests. After July 2nd, no coverage is extended for relatives who do not reside in the household of the named insured unless they are away at college. A non-relative who resides in the household will also not be covered under the new law. Examples include significant others, roommates, and long-term house guests. Out-of-state residents are no longer entitled to PIP benefits for injuries sustained in a Michigan motor vehicle accident unless the owner of the vehicle is both registered and insured in Michigan. Another law change pertains to pedestrians. After July 2nd, a pedestrian who is a Michigan resident and hit by an automobile in the state will be required to seek PIP coverage from their own auto policy or the policy of the resident relative. The injured party will no longer be able to make a claim under the PIP coverage of the vehicle owner or operator. A non-resident of Michigan who is hit as a pedestrian will not have the Michigan PIP benefit and will refer to their resident state for coverage rules. A major feature of the new legislation is consumers' ability to reduce their PIP limits or even opt out of PIP altogether. One of the criteria for opting out is proof that the insured is a member of a qualified health plan which covers injuries from auto accidents. A potential gap is created if the person opting out loses that qualified health coverage during the auto policy year. The law allows 30 days for that person to inform their auto carrier and select a PIP limit. During the 30 days, that insured and their covered family members have $2 million from the Michigan Claims Assistance Plan. If no selection is made by the end of the 30-day period, no coverage for personal injury exists. Please note, the material in this video is for informational purposes only, is general in nature, and is not intended to and should not be relied upon or construed as legal opinion or legal advice regarding any specific issue or factual circumstance.